The most poisonous snake in the world is the inland taipan. The inland taipan is primarily found in arid regions of Australia, particularly in Queensland and Southwest Queensland. The desert plains and soil areas characterized by sparse grasses and scattered rocks. The inland taipan is in its natural habitat, showcasing its slender olive-brown body with lighter bands blending into the environment. The snake is moving cautiously among the rocks and grasses, emphasizing its shy and elusive nature. The inland taipan reduces its activities in cold weather and seeks refuge in warm places. The snake finding shelter in cracks under rocks and burrows left by animals. The snake is buried in a deep crack in the soil, displaying its cool nature while conserving energy in cold weather. This is called brumation, which is the process of slowing down physical activity during winter in reptiles. This is not the same as complete hibernation, but the snake eats very little and remains hidden most of the time to conserve its energy. The inland taipan is a carnivorous snake that hunts small mammals. The snake poised and ready to strike, demonstrating its deadly precision. It is biting rapidly to inject venom into its prey, which includes rats and small kangaroos. This poison poses more danger than any other snake in the world. With such a dangerous name, its single sting can kill more than 100 adult humans. Its poison is a mixture of neurotoxin, hemotoxin, and myotoxin, which rapidly damages the nerves, blood, and muscles. Sometimes it can also eat birds' eggs or their babies. The inland taipan kills its prey instantly with its sharp and precise sting. It bites several times rapidly, so that the poison has more effect on the prey. The effect of its poison is so fatal that the victim dies within a few seconds, swallowing the prey. When the prey dies, this snake swallows it whole. Exact data regarding the inland taipan population are not available. As this snake lives in remote and sparsely populated areas, however, it is placed in the least concern category of the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The breeding and sexual mating behavior of the inland taipan is similar to that of other snakes. This snake does not show dimorphic traits, so it can be difficult to distinguish males from females. The inland taipan usually breeds from October to December when conditions are favorable. Male snakes may compete with each other to attract females. This is called combat dance, in which two males try to press each other down. The female allows the male to come near her during breeding. Male snakes have hemipenes, which are used during sexual intercourse. It is a sexual organ of the male snake's body. Inland taipan snake, also called fierce snake. Its length generally ranges from 1.8 meters to 2.5 meters. Snakes have a special sense organ called Jacobson's organ. It is located between their tongue and nose. The snake catches the surrounding odors with its tongue and transfers them to the Jacobson's organ, which helps it detect whether there is a female snake nearby or not. The female inland taipan snake releases special chemical signals, pheromones, from her body, which are meant to attract the male snake. The male snake can detect these smells from a distance and move in the direction of the female. The male snake approaches the female snake, extending his long forked tongue to detect pheromones on her body. This action signifies his attempt to determine her readiness for reproduction. The male snake is slender with scales in shades of green and brown, while the female snake has a robust body adorned with vibrant yellow and black patterns. Before mating, the male snake makes contact with the female's body. He detects pheromones on the female's body with his tongue to ensure whether she is ready for reproduction or not. If several male snakes approach a female, they fight with each other. The male who wins gets a chance to mate with the female. The male wraps himself around the female's body and mates. The female snake lays 12 to 20 eggs after breeding. It lays the eggs in a safe and warm place, such as under rocks or in crevices in the soil. She carefully places the eggs under rocks or in crevices in the soil, ensuring they are protected from potential threats. The hatching process of inland taipan eggs, which occurs in a natural habitat setting. The inland taipan does not guard her eggs, allowing them to hatch in 2-3 months. As the eggs crack open, the venomous inland taipan babies emerge, showcasing their self-sufficiency from birth. They are immediately able to hunt and defend themselves, demonstrating their innate abilities. Snakes have limited vision, and they identify mates primarily through smell and touch. An inland taipan snake crawling in its natural habitat. The snake is close to the ground, moving through vegetation. The snake's cleverness and agility in its behavior, including identifying mates through smell and touch, including different plant and soil textures, as it moves gracefully through the foliage, demonstrates its limited vision and unique adaptations. The average lifespan of an inland taipan in the natural environment is between 10 and 15 years. The inland taipan has very few natural predators. Large birds such as eagles or hawks may prey on it, but this is rare.